Hello and welcome to you all in this lecture of the cryptocurrency. Through this lecture, I will try to explain concept of the modern world currencies. They are known with the name of the cryptocurrencies. Actually, the cryptocurrency is a type of digital money with an encryption that makes it secure. It is the encrypted money, or we can say it's the digital money with an encryption that makes it secure. Users of money or users of currency remain anonymous. Those who are using the cryptocurrencies, their identities are hidden. It's very difficult to identify because usually they use the their IDs with other names are just symbolic names, and so it's digital money. Say it's a cryptocurrency. There are different types of the currencies. They are circulated in the world. You can see these are the different types. All these are, so it's simply the internet connection or this virtual type of the currency. Means there are different types of the computers, they are connected with each other, and they generate the codes. So what is the cryptocurrency? Is a type of currency which is a digital file, is a money. Uses digital files as money. Usually the files are created using the same methods as cryptography, the science of hiding the information. So cryptocurrency is a type of currency which uses digital files as money. Usually the files are created using the same methods as cryptography. Cryptography, it is the science of hiding information. This type of the method hides the information. So cryptocurrencies use decentralized controls, which means that they aren't controlled by one person or by government. These currencies are not controlled by the governments, and these are not issued by the governments. Nowadays, governments, they are also trying to issue their cryptocurrencies. So what is the cryptography? Is in the previous slide I have discussed that it is the method through which we hide the information. It is a method of protecting information and communications through the use of codes, so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and process it. Means other than the intended persons, no one can read the information which is being shared between the parties. So the prefix crypt means hidden or vault, and the suffix graphy stands for the writing. So it's the crypt writing or encrypt writing. You can see there is a lock that whatever the information is being shared, it is in the codes and it's difficult to read out. So a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it necessary or nearly impossible to counterfeit. One cannot duplicate it or double spend it. One cannot spend it again. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain. There is blockchain technology used for the cryptocurrencies, and it is a distributed ledger type of the electronic or distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. So different computers, they are connected with each other, and this is the decentralized type of the connection between the computers. They are not. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generating not generally not issued by any central authority. Until present, the currencies which we are aware of are the currencies which are circulated by circulation in the markets. These are issued by the central authorities or the banks or the governments, and they control their publication or their printing. So these cryptocurrencies are not controlled by, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Means there is no any involvement of the government. Government cannot even interfere or manipulate. So अगर क्रिप्टो करेंसी की बात की जाए तो ये दरअसल डिजिटल करेंसी है जो एक नामालूम पर्सन, जो तब तक तो नामालूम था, जिसने 2009 में अपनी जो आईडी शो की बनाई, 2009 में ये करेंसी बनी पहली, और उसका नाम जो अपना वो ज़ाहिर कर रहा था वो नाकामोटो, सतोशी नाकामोटो, उसकी तरफ से ये बनाई गई क्रिप्टो करेंसी ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से काम करती है। ब्लॉकचेन एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो दूर दूर तक कंप्यूटर्स को आपस में, हर एक ट्रांसमिशन बहुत सारे पब्लिक लिस्ट या जिसको लेजर या ब्लॉकचेन कहते हैं, उसमें खुली तरह पे या ओपन रिकॉर्ड की जाती है। ये एक मुकम्मल वर्चुअल करेंसी है, या इसको कहें कि ये डिजिटल किस्म है कैश का, और इस नकदी का ये किस्म है। दरअसल ये कंप्यूटर का एक फाइल है, और कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे कोड की लाइन के सिवा वो कुछ भी नहीं होता। ये ऑनलाइन किस्म की करेंसी है। आप अपनी कंप्यूटर या मोबाइल में कोई ऐप डाउनलोड करके, उसको डिजिटल वॉलेट कहते हैं, स्मार्टफोन में इसको करेंसीज को महफूज कर सकते हैं। You can also read my article which was published on 28th of this month in one of the Sindhi newspapers. So this is the person claimed to be the Nakamoto Satoshi, the creator of the cryptocurrency, and another person, Craig Wright, also being claimant of the cryptocurrency. That ये बनते कैसे, how the cryptocurrencies are created. ये दरअसल एक मैथमेटिक्स के स्ट्रॉन्ग किस्म के कंप्यूटर्स की मदद से लोग जो है ना मैथमेटिकल पजल्स को सॉल्व करते हैं। कोई डिफरेंट किस्म के प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं जो कंप्यूटर और मैथ की मदद से जो हल करते हैं। ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो भी प्रॉब्लम हल करे उसको बिटकॉइन या क्रिप्टो करेंसी अवार्ड की जाए। कई बार तो ऐसे भी होता है कि लोग जो है वो इतना उसकी कंप्यूटर के इस्तेमाल पे जो बिजली का बिल अदा करते हैं वो खर्चा ज़्यादा होता है और जितनी वो करेंसी अर्न कर पाते हैं। लेकिन रिसेंटली एक बंदे ने इसी किस्म के प्रॉब्लम्स और पजल्स को हल किया और उसको बताया जाता है कि हर 10 मिनट में 12.5 बिटकॉइन अदा किए गए। These are the different types of the puzzles which are used in cryptocurrencies. Through the solution of these types of the puzzles, people can earn. One can see these are the puzzles, and so cryptocurrency बनने का तरीका यही है कि लोग कंप्यूटर की मदद से आप जो है वो जो सॉल्व करते हैं उसके नतीजे में